In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Gmail account without phone number. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so you can set up a new inbox without tying it to a mobile number. First, open your web browser and head to the Google account sign in page. You can get there quickly by searching for Gmail sign in or Google account sign in, then opening the official Google result. On that page, look for the create account link and choose for my personal use. Depending on the layout you see, this option may appear more than once during the flow. If it does, simply select for my personal use again to continue. Next, you'll arrive at the setup form. Here, choose a unique Gmail address and create a strong password. Aim for a password that's at least 12 characters with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. A memorable passphrase works great. Just avoid anything that's easy to guess, like common words or personal details. Take a moment to double check spelling in your chosen address. Small typos can lock you into a name you didn't intend. When the prompt to add a phone number appears, look for the skip option and click it. This lets you proceed without linking a number during setup. Right after that, you may be offered the chance to add a recovery email. For this walkthrough, skip that as well. Keep in mind that skipping recovery options can make it harder to regain access if you ever forget your password, so consider adding recovery methods later from your account settings once you're up and running. Before finishing, review your account details and the privacy terms. Skim the key points so you understand how your data is used, then click I agree to accept and move forward. If you see any review screens, confirm that your email choice and preferences look right. That's it. Your new Gmail inbox will load and you can start sending and receiving messages immediately. If you don't see a skip option for phone or recovery, it might be due to your region, your network, or recent sign in behavior. In some cases, Google may require verification to protect users. If that happens, try again later from a typical home connection in a mainstream browser. Quick recap. Open the Google account sign-in page, choose Create Account for personal use, pick a unique address with a strong password, skip phone and recovery when prompted, and agree to the terms. You now have a Gmail account created without a phone number. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new inbox.